Welcome back. Today we're going to be walking through a battery replacement on a Casio MRW-200H. Let's get right into it. Starting off with what we'll just need a small Phillips head screwdriver, ideally pointy metal tweezers, but you can get away with a paper clip or a thumbtack. You just need something with a point. And of course our replacement battery, which is going to be an SR626SW or a 377. Starting out on the watch, we're simply going to flip it over. We do not need to remove the straps because they do not block the case back. We just need to remove these 4 case back screws. And we'll go ahead and set those aside where we will not lose them. Now this case back is recessed in the case, so it's a little challenging. Sometimes I'll just get something right in the corner and then I can pull that case back out of place and take it right off. And don't worry, sometimes the gasket will come off with the case back. We'll be able to put that back in, no problem. Now that we're inside the watch, the next thing we need to do is remove this plastic retaining ring. So usually I would just grab on each side here where there's a hole and gently pry it up until we get enough to where the whole thing will just pop right on out. And now we can access the movement and the battery. To remove the battery, this is where having a pointy object will come in handy. As we can see, there's this little lever here, and we simply want to put something in it and gently pull out, and our battery usually will just pop right on out. Now we're ready to go ahead and install our new battery. I always suggest trying to hold the battery from the sides as much as possible so you don't accidentally short it if you're not wearing gloves. So as we can see here, there's a little lip. I like to tuck the battery right under that lip, and once it's in place, I'll use my other finger to hold it down, and then using my tweezers or pointy object, I'll grab that lever again, pull it back, and then my battery can fall right in place. And it snaps right on over, and now it's in place. And now, just to make sure everything's working, we don't have to worry about anything falling out. We can simply just turn the watch over, and as we can see, the seconds hand is progressing. So our watch is working again. Now it's time to reassemble. Our first step in reassembly is going to be putting that plastic retainer ring back in. As we can see here, there's a groove where the stem will go out, so we simply just match that and push it right in place. And next, just in case your gasket came out when you were disassembling the watch, all we have to do is simply drop it right in the groove, make sure it's seated in there perfectly well, and now we're ready to put the case back on. So we want to pay note to the orientation. The battery up here is the top of the watch, so we just want to make sure that our Casio is properly oriented. All we have to do is drop it right in the groove. You'll feel it pop right in place, and now we can put our case back screws back in. So I usually will just hold my thumb on the case back to keep everything in place, drop the screws in, get them started. Now we just have to snug them up, and they only need to be snug, not too tight, because these are very delicate screws, easy to strip and easy to break. And that's all there is to it. As we can see, our watch is ticking, keeping time, and is completely ready to wear again. Thank you guys so much for joining me with this quick battery change tutorial. I really hope that it was to the point and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I'll get back to you very quickly. And if you're interested in more watch-related content and tutorials, please do consider subscribing. I'm going to be covering a lot of G-Shock, Baby G, and Casio products. So please tune in for more. Thank you guys. Take care.